Then Subway Surfer music. In this video, I will show you how to change or manage music in Subway Surfer on your phone. Let's open our application. Subway Surfer doesn't let you choose new music, but you can turn off the game music and play your own instead. First, tap onto the gear icon to open the settings. Now, swipe down and open your Apple Music or Spotify app. Choose your favorite playlist and hit play. Then you have to come back to the Subway Surfer. Your music will keep playing while you run. And you also have a default option to change your music. Just tap on it. You can choose from various musics. Choose as you wish. You can increase or decrease the game music and sound effects. And that's it. Now you can surf with your favorite beat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.